Hello, viewers. Welcome to the English Fish. Today's lesson is about transport vocabulary. We will talk about 24 means of transport with pictures and examples. Helicopter. The helicopter was hovering above the building. Bus. Children are waiting for their school bus. Airplane. It is a real fun to travel in an airplane. Car. She goes to work by car every day. Sailboat. Do you want to cross the river by sailboat? Motorboat. I rode a motorboat on the lake. Submarine. The submarine is diving under the ocean. Dinghy. The dinghy sailed smoothly across the lake. Cruise. Have you ever been on a cruise? Motorbike. He was badly injured in a motorbike accident last year. Bicycle. He pedals his bicycle quickly. Truck. His father is a truck driver. Van. This isn't a suitable place to unload a van. Ambulance. An ambulance arrived at crash site in 10 minutes. Police car. A police car raced by with its siren screaming. Tractor. Tractor is usually used to plow the fields. Bulldozer. We need a bulldozer to dislodge the rock. Crane. A crane lifted the container off the ship. Racing car. The racing cars were practicing for the coming race. Taxi. She caught a taxi to the restaurant. Train. I want to make an inquiry about train times. Tram. He takes a tram to commute to work. Carriage. They took a horse-drawn carriage to the old town. Rickshaw. John took a rickshaw to his office. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you would have found it useful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook. Links have been given in description.